Can I ask your name?
My name's Holly.
Oh, yeah. My name is Mariana. I'm from Raft Trailers, and I just want to know what you think about the raft, the Teardrop.
I love it.
Do you like camping?
I love camping. I'm going camping this weekend. I'm gonna have a look. I'm interested.
Okay.
Amazing. How many people does it sleep?
Two in that one, two.
Okay.
But you can add a rooftop
Yeah.
tent as well, so you can have more space.
And this is the only size?
No, this is not the only size. We have three options. This is the Breath Plus.
Amazing. Do they all have electricity?
Yeah, they
Yeah.
do. Do you want to come here and I can show you?
Sure. This is cool. Yeah. My boyfriend will love this.
And we have a kitchen as well. Do you want to have a look on the kitchen?
Yes.
Come
please.
here. This is a small kitchen, but has all the fittings in there.
Yeah. Oh wow, this is a great size. Yeah.
You have a fridge. You can have a stove as well by gas.
Oh, that's amazing. A fold-up table. It looks perfect.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
I'm really interested in buying. Is it available this weekend?
I'll let you know.
Yeah. Amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.